Well, Bob, we are back at long last.
Yes, we have Sandy.
And we are here to talk about the Cleveland show.
Yes, well, I think it's good because it shows that Stem MacFarlane is not racist.
Yes, I agree. I think it was better when Cleveland was on Family Guy though, do you?
Yes.
I think it is good how they have got a bear as one of the characters in it though.
Yes, that's funny.
Well, that pretty much concludes our episode today. There won't be any more episodes of Bob Adds Sandy, so bye.
Yes, bye forever.